Can this new car program be assembled in an existing facility? DELMIA Final Assembly 3D Validation enables companies to simulate and validate balanced assembly lines in a 3D experience. Design, planning, and validation benefit from increased efficiencies through early collaboration. Other departments can review and optimize the detailed assembly sequence of the complete vehicle and do as many iterative loops as necessary. Assembly line problems, such as missing space in the material area, can be identified and resolved early in the process when the cost of change is low. DELMIA Final Assembly 3D Validation makes it easy for you to visualize the manufacturing context of every station to check if a given product can be built. With DELMIA Final Assembly 3D Validation, departments work in parallel to validate assembly and reduce production risks.